Let's get right into this video. So I hardly blow dry my hair. I have a regular blow dryer, and I decided, okay, so I can't order that $400 Rev Air. So what's the next alternative? Ta-da! Okay, so I heard a lot of people talk about this right here. They said it pretty much do the same work. They don't really, there's a slight difference, but not really. So I'm gonna try this out for myself. Stay tuned. Y'all get to actually see me unbox this thing. I ain't even opened it yet. So I'm unboxing it. Boom. Okay. So I got the black and pink. It comes in 2 colors, so either you get the all black or the black and pink. I see most people got the black and pink. I like the fact that it's not bulky at all. I'm gonna be doing a video more on this.
Why is that?
A blow dryer. Gonna blow dry my hair. So you got your settings on cool, low, and high. And then you got your off setting. So there's that. Air coming from here, the filter. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Okay, let's start. Go ahead, cue that music. Y'all, I'm so hot. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of hair. But I did notice, one thing that I did notice is it cut my dry time like in half. It usually take me a long time to use a traditional blow dryer with a roll brush and to like blow dry it and roll it out into sections, but this was even better than I expected. Now my results for my blowouts always look like this, so it's not me, trust me. It's not me, like it's my hair. Like I be trying to get it as flat as possible, but even sometimes my flat irons be looking off unless I get a silk press. But other than that, yeah, I expected these results. But yes, this is the hair, blow dried. Would I recommend this to anybody? Yes, because it cuts your drying time in half. You don't have to use the highest setting. I use the high one because I want it to be done as quick as possible. But there's the low setting, and then after I use the high, I use the cool to like, so it won't revert back right away. I got some sleek stuff that I could put on it for so it don't frizz up in humidity, but some of those things don't work for me. So if you could leave your suggestion down below in the comment section on what are some good humidity serums or sprays that you would recommend. Anything you guys want me to do, go ahead and leave in the comment section as well. Thank you guys for watching Dandelions. Man, I look like a lion for real right now, but thank you guys. Bye.